Hi, so let me introduce you to the concept of what a group is. As you can see right here, this is the balance sheet of Facebook Incorporation. So this right here can be named as one group. Also, this right here can be named as subgroup. Okay, so and this right here can be named as ledgers, or you can name them in simpler term, that is you can call them as accounts. So, what are groups? Groups are a creation of several accounts together. When you combine all those accounts together, it will create a group. Just for example, let's take current assets right here. Okay, so current assets is a subgroup which involves various accounts, that is cash and cash equivalent, marketable security, accounts receivable, okay, prepaid expenses. Okay, prepaid expenses is something that we have already paid for, which we don't need to pay in future. Now let me show why do we need this in Tally. So right here I have with me Tally, and I'll show you what's the importance of a group. We'll go to first column, this is right here accounts info, and then we'll go to groups, and then we'll go to display multiple groups. Okay, so let's try to open one, the one just we read, current assets. So it has 1 to 6 accounts in it. So whenever we go to create an account, it will always ask us which group do you want to keep it into, so that the Tally automatically creates its own balance sheet. Like you can see here, this one is current assets, stock in hand, deposits, sundry debtors are our customers, cash in hand, bank accounts that we daily operate. These are the accounts. Let's try current liabilities. Taxes are our liabilities, our suppliers are liabilities, provisions liabilities, okay. And let us check out investments. Okay, so there is nothing here. You can enter various accounts into it. I'll show that in the next lecture. Various investment like shares, bonds, or debentures, or fixed deposits. Let us see loan. Okay, so loan has bank overdraft account, secured loans, and unsecured loans. And there's a separate group also, unsecured loans. Okay, so you got the gist, right? So whenever you create an account, it will ask you which group does it belongs to, and you should not have any trouble to decide which groups does it belongs to if you have read the basic terminology. And if still you have some trouble deciding which account should go into which, like for example cash is a current asset because we need to trade it in the operating cycle within the 12 months. Okay, and just check out this one, balance sheet. Okay, so if you decide a group for it, if you decide a group for cash, it will automatically create this balance sheet right here. And if you enter something into the bank OD account, it will automatically enter it right here. So groups are very important for the reporting purpose. And also I have with me this crack sheet. If whenever we create an account in Tally, if you have any trouble deciding which group should it go to, just for example take purchase, so it should go to purchase account. I'll show you when we create a ledger or an account in the next lecture, but now you can understand what a group is. And there is another file that I have created which shows which account. It involves all the definitions again, like current asset includes bank account, cash in hand, deposits, stock in hand, integrated accounts. Okay, also you can create your own group G, and then you can create your own group. You can create multiple groups if it is based upon your business, but we are not going to do it as we do not need it much more. So yeah, let's see in the next lecture and let's learn how to use the groups.